Good morning, student. In the last period, we have seen about corrosion. We have seen about corrosion. Have you understood corrosion? So our new brand vehicle becomes old and several parts becomes non-functioning. Why? Because of corrosion. Okay. So corrosion is avoided. Corrosion is just not oxidation of metal because of presence of air and moisture surrounding it. Then we have seen several ways to prevent it. Now we have to see rancidity. While eating groundnuts, you might have experienced that some groundnut taste very bad, bitter taste is often. Or coconut oil that you are used to oil your hairs sometimes gives very bad smell. Or if ghee is kept for long period, then its smell is also becoming very bad. So that kind of thing is called as rancidity. This we called as rancidity. तो घी खाने के लिए ठीक नहीं रहता, उसका स्मेल बदल जाता है. बालों का जो तेल है कोकोनट ऑयल वो भी बैड स्मेल करता है कभी कभी. या आलमंड या ग्राउंडनट आप खाते खाते बीच में कोई कड़वा ग्राउंडनट आलमंड आ जाता है खाते समय, एकदम से आपको टेस्ट मुंह की खराब हो जाती है. So that type of facts which is occurring because of oxidation of food containing oil and fats. So this thing is called as rancidity. इसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? Rancidity. So how to define rancidity? When fats and oils are oxidized, fats and oils are oxidized. For example, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, है ना? They are get oxidized. Or ghee, they are get oxidized. Or food containing fats and oils are oxidized. Food containing fats are oxidized. For example, groundnut is the food containing groundnut oil. Then almond is also food containing oil. So these kind of foods are oxidized and their smell changes. Their smell changes. है ना? So this stage is called as rancidity. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Rancidity. तो इस फूड में जो ऑयल और फैट्स है वो ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं, ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्शन होने के कारण खराब हो जाते हैं, उसको हम कंज्यूम नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दैट प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज रैंसिडिटी. डेफिनेटली रैंसिडिटी इज नॉट अ गुड फैक्टर, क्योंकि रैंसिडिटी की वजह से क्या होगा बोलो? रैंसिडिटी की वजह से वो फूड खराब हो जाएगा, जो उसकी जो सेल्फ लाइफ है वो 6 महीना अच्छा रहना चाहिए तो 2 महीने में खराब हो जाएगा, है ना? और मनी विल वेस्टेड, फार्मर्स एफर्ट्स विल वेस्टेड and this is an undesirable thing. ये अच्छी बात हमारे लिए नहीं है. So rancidity is the oxidation of food containing what? Oils and fats, which will cause changes in smell and taste of the food, and it make the food unfit for human consumption. Okay, so this we call as rancidity. Now rancid coconut oil you have experienced, rancid ghee, almond, groundnut. Somewhere, sometime you might have experienced this rancidity. Now, how to avoid this? This rancidity of this food containing oil and fats can be avoided by adding antioxidant in the oil or fats. Oil or fats में antioxidant add करना है ना? So if you add this antioxidant in the oil and fats, what will happen? It will not allow this oil and fats to combine with oxygen. ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन नहीं होने देगा. तो ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन होने देने की वजह से उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा, रेंसिड नहीं होगा. जैसे आपको होली के दिनों में कोई अगर कलर लगाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपने अगर चेहरे को ग्राउंडनट ऑयल लगा के रखा है, ऑयली बना के रखा है, उसके ऊपर अगर कलर लगा दिया तो वो कलर चिपकता नहीं है. वैसे ये जो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है, फॉर एग्जांपल विटामिन ई, ये जो है ये क्या करता है बोलो? ऑक्सीजन को उस फूड आइटम के साथ कांटेक्ट में नहीं आने देता. उसकी वजह से क्या होगा बोलो? उस ऑयल कंटेनिंग फूड, ऑयल और फैट की सेल्फ लाइफ बढ़ेगी. मतलब वो 2 महीने अच्छा रहने की जगह 12 महीना अच्छा रहेगा, 6 महीना अच्छा रहेगा, है ना? So we have to add what? Antioxidant into that food so that it will not react with the oxygen and its shelf life will be increased. Secondly, you have to flushing the bags containing this food by nitrogen, not by air. Air contain what? Oxygen. So this is the what bag? ये bag है, इस बैग के अंदर आपको चिप्स वगैरह कुछ रखे हैं, तो इस बैग के अंदर क्या भरना है बोलो, नाइट्रोजन भरना है. If you fill up this bag with nitrogen, what will happen? Nitrogen is less reactive gas as compared to oxygen, so it will not react with any material, and that's why this uh, potato chips will remain good for long time, है ना, so that its shelf life will be increased. Now manufacturer is known about that shelf life. They write there good before 6 months, good before 5 months, 12 months, like that. They put the expiry date on that for packets. Okay? Why? Because it is filled up with non-reactive gas like nitrogen. Oxygen is not there because oxygen will cause rancidity. Then thirdly, by creating vacuum. By creating vacuum in the sealed can. जैसे आप कोई बॉर्नविटा अगर लाते हैं तो ऊपर से क्या रहता है बोलो, ऊपर से सीलिंग रहता है, पूरा उसका प्लास्टिक से सील रहता है वो टिन. तो वो बॉर्नविटा और सीलिंग इसके बीच में एयर ही नहीं रखेंगे, बस पूरा एयर वहां से खींच लेंगे. एयर खींच लेंगे तो क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजन नहीं रहेगा, ऑक्सीजन नहीं रहेगा तो वो फूड आइटम एनसिक नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टीमिंग और कैनिंग, है ना. एंड इज फ्लशिंग ऑफ bags with nitrogen so that it will be not become rancid. Then you have to add antioxidant material to the oils and fats to increase its shelf life. So that way we can prevent the rancidity of the foods. Okay, what is rancidity then? When fats and oils are exposed to air or oxygen, what happens? The oxidation takes place and its smell changes. So this fact we call as rancidity. Where you experience rancidity? In our home, coconut oil that you apply to hair is going to change its smell. Bad smell is occurring there, so that is because of rancidity. Then ghee also you might have somewhere experienced, ghee taste is not good, or almond and groundnuts turn bitter while eating. So this kind of things are called rancidity. How to prevent it? How to prevent it? By adding antioxidant into that, or by flushing the bags containing that food stuff with nitrogen instead of air, or creating vacuum there, so that rancidity will be avoided. So have you understood this? Good student. So please like my channel Kutti Science Academy, share it with your friends and hit the bell icon. Okay? Study hard and be successful. Very good student.